Kane kadai ka documents lani ka kot ka balapha show returning officer Jong ka Nongkrem constituency hakabaya day bat ka Jinglut Jingsep Jong ba Ardent ha ka Ïakhun ya ka election ka Jong kata ha ka snem arjar arpulai bat phila ban kalila ni ong ba kumno gumtaw ba Ardent ong ba shimla pulut tang sinayaru nakabanta ka election henry ngan pensingot hu epi kumni kata ka baw ba Ardent uklem penlut tang si tangkaro kadai ban thiet bam thiet di lani ban khawai dawai ya ki pai ba nong kersang henry kan ni ka jing penlut pat ka ya day bai thik nakabanta ka jinglei jingwan ka jingdon kamban pen kre ya ka election tongin ya pai no manta kanno ka jinglun jingsep ba Ardent ha ka Ïakhun MLA ka Jong kata house nem arhajar arpulai Pdiang sngewbha pi shaka FLOWDA MILES Channel Lada fi sngewtynnad ya video sngewbha ban like share and subscribe Khublei Shibun tongin ya pai no manta kane ka ka part 1 Jong ka abstract statement of election expenses name of the candidate Dave Shri Ardent number and name of constituency kadai ka 22 Nongkrem ST constituency name of the state lani union territory kadai Meghalaya. Please mention whether general election to state assembly Lok Sabha lani ka by election kadai general election to the state legislative assembly ka result pat kumbang itip kadai muslims name artrik banai maj arjar fly name and address of the election agent day Shri Hubert Riang Mamlo. If candidate is set up by political party, please mention the name of the political party. Yes, Voice of the People Party. Togoto ka part 1 kalabiang menta ka part 2 abstract of statement of election expenditure of candidate. Tong ini payang ni expenses in public meeting, rally, procession extra kalong harlak nyublai hajar. But ka total election expenditure jong kanihi ka jo ka expense in public meeting kalong arlak nyublai hajar. Expenditure on campaign vehicle used by candidate kalong khandai hajar sapu artengka tangitohi tega grand total pat kalong arlak prabu hajar sapu artengka kanebat kadika part 3 abstract of source of fund raised by candidate amount of own fund used by the election campaign kalong lailak sanpu hajar news pa contribution tengka lump sum amount received from the party that is in cash or check kato mendandra euro lump sum amount received from any person company for person extra katuru kamdandra ka total kalong baik lailak sanpu hajar news pa contribution tengka kanepat kadai ka details of election funds and expenditure of candidate angning ini page name of the expenditure total in amount erecting stage pandal ki furniture fixture kito extra kalong baik arbusan hajar sispa kandai tengka hiring loudspeaker microphone amplifier kalong live 1000 poster handbill pamphlets hoardings to kalong kalar spa beverage like tea water cold drink kineki deki jingdi kumka kasha ki umso ki extra kalong spa sampo illumination items like serial light boards extra to harjar sanspa dengka expenses on transport helicopter to mdandra power consumption generator charges kalong 3000 dengka rent for venue hang to mdandra kai euro security deposit POL driver salary refreshment polling agent fees flags and screen kalak poyado arlak chi jar khandai spa and report ka total kalong bet arlak nyublai hajar ki kali ki bau ba Ardent upanon kam ha kapor election kilong tang rutli bat ka Jinglut Jingsep kalong khatsan spa pho arhajar ar spa khandai ar khatsau spa ar pho news spa pho bat arhajar sau spa ka total amount ka bau ba Ardent upalut na kabanta ka jinglek jingwan da ka ba pandon kam yi kali kalong tang khandai hajar sau pu ar but kabakado kadai detail of amount of own fund used for election campaign haka khatsau trik banai ba arjar fly kumba shilak hajar ka Jinglut haka khanyo trik banai ba arjar fly kalong kumba khandai ba hajar news pa dribusau but haka arpo pratrik banai ba arjar fly kalong kumba shilak sanpo hajar te ka total amount kalong lailak sanpo hajar news pa dribusau kini kidai kita ki Jinglut Jingsep uba Ardent hakapor ka ba Ïakhun ya ka election MLA ka Jong na Nongkrem constituency kata house nem arhajar arpulai